Nice and simple little job today. We've got these two roller doors here we need to paint, match in with the blue. So that's the blue, and yeah, so they have to be cleaned down and then sprayed. So 2 coats of Weathershield satin, so they'll all have to be taped up, and yeah, it looks a little bit dodgy in a few little spots. That's where we're at. That's what we've got to do. So we're going to be using Weathershield Semi-Gloss in Deep Ocean, Colorbond Deep Ocean. So that's it. So we've only got 4 litres of that, and it should be enough to put 2 coats on that. There's no powder, so that's what we're checking mainly for powder. So you can see there is a little bit of green on there. Yeah, you see the green that's coming off of my fingers? So that's powder, so that means I can't just gurney this. I have to give this a scrub down with some a bit of a scour and just a hose. So we're going to be using this one here. So I'll get my stool out and just with a light hose, just scour every piece of that. So also when we come in here, we'll have the tops of these to do as well. So when we actually lift these roller doors up, we'll have some sections that aren't painted, so I'll have to come in and either brush them by hand.
I like your taste in tunes and everything you ooze. The tempo of your beat, you bleed a melody. No one can control that old time rock and roll. No rule of gravity. Can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon? Can I follow you back to your arms, wash it all off in the river of your heart? There's a million different songs that I learned to sing, watching you bloom in the light of the moon. Your loneliness will never be lost on me. Don't be a stranger.
Okay, that's it. That's all the spraying I'm going to do. As you can see, there's not enough paint in there to scratch yourself with, but by the time I empty the line out, there'll be about a litre left. So we really need the sun to hit this now just to dry that off. Everything looks good in here. So that's it, time to start packing up because there's nothing more I can do. That's it. So that's it. That's all roller doors finished, and thanks for tuning in on this little video. And if you want to paint your roller doors, that's how you're going to have to do it. Now if this video has helped you at all, please don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel and give it the thumbs up, and also hit that bell button, very important. People are saying that they're not getting my notifications. It's because YouTube turns the bells off on you. You can subscribe, but a couple of weeks later he'll unhook the bell again, so double check that bell. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you down the track. Bye.